Oh yeah, it's happening again, y'all. Welcome to Logic on Steroids. This is another one. This is a custody battle right here. It's about to happen again, y'all. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch the original video, follow the tabs, read the links and all that stuff. All right, let's get started. Let's go straight into it.
Are you ready?
Watch how this child custody exchange turned into complete family chaos.
Who's they? We have no clue what's going on. You need EMS? You're bleeding from your eye.
I guess so. I don't
You
know.
want to have a seat? Just relax a little bit?
I'm trying to put the phone. They have it, bro. It's here.
What happened?
There's a 50-50 custody thing going on. Her brother is the dad of the kid. The mom of the kid came, and I guess it's the dad's day. The mom came to get. They're trying to stop and trying to say no. I'm in the house. A trespass warning for here. So I'm not entirely. I don't know how it transpired, but long story short, it was the mom coming to get the kid on dad's day.
Okay, so the mom.
All right, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Once you got to go through all that courtroom and all that stuff, it's over. It's a wrap. I don't give a damn how good it get after that. You know what I'm saying? It's a wrap when it started. You know what I'm saying? Any relationship that drives you straight to that courtroom, if you can get out of it. A lot of kids are lucky that the fathers still want to be on their lives, because a lot of men just give up straight up. Don't give a damn. They're to pay child support to deal with anything that has to do with the female.
Came to get the kid. She's not supposed to be here.
Correct.
What happened? Why is her eye bleeding?
I was in the house with my own kid, so I don't know how exactly the details. I don't not a
Okay, ma'am, can you tell me what happened?
Can I get something more?
Yeah, for sure. So this is where the baby resides half the time?
Yes, but I do believe, just to put that in, that they have my phone. I was trying to get it from them at the end of this street, which they're parked around the corner, but she wouldn't get.
How do they have your phone?
I guess because my sister had it, and I don't guess between the tussle of it.
So who's this lady?
I guess a neighbor. I don't live here.
Oh, she's not even involved in
yeah,
this.
no.
Have a seat right here. Take a breath. Tell me what happened.
She came over Friday night. We were doing Christmas Saturday morning.
Yeah. I'm going to meet up at the other house. They're at the park.
Now, they don't usually block the faces of the people on the camera, body cams.
I guess the other guy, units 110-8. Okay. Take a moment. I'll be right. Who took the baby?
Of our main characters.
It's not her day, and she's trespassed on this property to get her.
What do you mean it's not her day?
It's not her day for their custody share.
So why did she come here today?
Because we told her she needed
Because she wanted to be ghetto.
And she said, I'm coming to get my baby. Y'all got me f***ed up.
Okay. Where's the father of the baby?
Crazy.
He's working. That's why I'm watching her, because I'm on break from school.
Okay.
Well, isn't that the whole point of going to court? They tell you what days you can get the child, what days the father can get the child.
What's that? What's that? Who's this?
She's trespassing on this property as of right now.
She punched you?
She hurt my.
Holy shit! There's just too much ghetto going on all at once!
And no, my child is hurt. Yes, they jumped me. They jumped me. It's not trespassing. The father is not here.
Hey, too many people
The last
talking.
time I came, she is a witness. The last time I came, she did the same thing. Tried to jump me. They did the same thing. I'm 21. The one time I punched her, I hurt you. I told you I could whoop you. I told you I could whoop you. I told you I could whoop you.
21. She look like she about like 31. Dog. And then they got all that talking across each other. How can y'all even think with nobody's words getting, you know what I'm saying? Jesus Christ, all that noise going on.
Alright,
No,
you're
no.
detaining you right now. Turn around.
I can't.
Let me tell you something. You are not going to do
Baby,
that.
or my daughter, my poor baby's in the car.
bitch ass.
And the father is not here. Sir, you gotta understand my frustration.
Yeah, but when you're here yelling and we're trying to talk to you.
threats.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Where's the baby?
I can't stand
In that car.
when the female has a child and act like the child don't have other families. Remember, you ain't the only one that had that child. The father had him too. Or her too. You know what I mean? The father has siblings. That's going to be the auntie or uncle of the child.
What is that car?
That's her car.
Her car.
She doesn't have custody.
And who's this lady here?
That's her crazy mom. They always do this. This is insane. They hit my mother.
Over here.
Please.
1 out for 4, and I got a wife you me up detained.
Please restrict me. I wouldn't get arrested. I just detained.
Don't worry. Yeah, you're just detained right now.
So she's a liar.
Have a seat.
I promise you I didn't want to hurt her,
No
but she's
worries.
hurting my child. I punched her one time back after they jumped me. The one that looks all nice and she was the one shoving my mom's face, punching me in the face, pulling my hair. The neighbor had to get in on this, and when I was younger,
So you were punching?
Why when they talk to the cops, they always, they're not afraid to tell people that they got beat up. I mean, to tell the cops that they got beat up. But when they go on social media, I whooped your ass.
yes, I don't, bro, I was, all of them. Thank God I'm okay. Thank God I'm okay.
Where were you?
My nails popped off. Everything fell, sir.
Because I'm looking at you, I don't see any bruises. If I touched you right now, you would have.
She the
I
aggressor.
don't see a bruise on your face. I don't see a bruise
Sir,
on your side.
there's witnesses.
But listen, we're gonna get to the bottom of it.
I
Just
promise
have a seat.
you.
Have a seat.
They did this the last time I was here.
No worries.
The father's not even
Do you
here.
have ID on you?
It's in the car.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is.
All right. Put your foot in.
Ella es la mamá. Ella es la mamá. Ella es la
There's
mamá.
like 3 calls going on right now in here. So,
Ayer me tiene que entregar a la niña. Mire, esto
she
es
showed up on not her day, it's dad's day.
Ayer me tiene que
Okay,
entregar a la niña.
espera en la cara, espera. Siéntate.
And you got the mother,
Siéntate allá. So she-
like, egging it on. Just making things worse. God damn.
So it's not her day. This is what the sister, the aunt of the little girl was telling us. She showed up out of the
Who's
blue.
the aunt? The girl in the black?
Right there. Her brother's the dad. This is grandma.
Where's the court order?
¿Dónde está este documents para la corte?
Aquí me tiene que entregar la niña y no me la dieron.
Where's the kid?
Ayer.
He's in the back seat.
Ayer me tiene que entregar la niña.
Is this where the fight happened?
It happened right up there.
Because this is the old lady's shoe, right?
That's the one at the lady's shoe. I don't know.
All right, so I'm just telling you what. Call me.
They don't have it. No, I'm fine. I'm cool.
Call me. They don't have the phone, I said.
Okay.
I can't go searching
Fair
in their
enough.
stuff.
Right. Fair enough. Okay.
So if you can, since I have EMS coming for your eye, if you can get her ID for me, because we're gonna need her right now.
Okay.
She's in the car. She's detained, so everyone just needs to relax right now.
Got it.
Because the most important one is the little girl.
Right. Yeah.
So we have a camera here.
Oh yeah.
So off rip,
Oh, perfect.
the cops already can tell who are the decent people. Which side is the decent side? And it's leaning towards those 2 females right here. Not the mother and her mother.
Look, that's the old lady's shoe right there, bro.
Oh, her?
The old lady, the grandma.
All right. Let me grab my phone. I gotta take.
Psychos.
The cousin said it happened here, but it's looking like up here, unless somebody threw a shoe. Now I have a quick question for you guys.
My ID's in here, and this is the trespass warning.
Okay, we're gonna look at she's in custody right now. We're gonna look at everything right now. What I need is that camera footage.
Okay.
Who has that?
Me.
Have a seat. IVMS coming to check you out. Because your eye's still leaking right now. So just relax. She's in custody. We have her in the vaccine patrol.
Oh my God.
So
Crying blood tears.
what I need right now is I need that footage.
Is she taking a selfie? Talk about crying blood tears. That's selfie talk. Is she taking a... Dog, these bras is retarded.
Can I take some pictures?
Yeah, she probably was just doing it because the phone was in her face. Dog, how could someone cry and record themselves at the same time? Is that cry genuine? What the hell, man? All these females, bro.
Hold on, let them Mirandize you and then we'll
Some
talk.
bitch ass niggas.
Okay.
The father's not here. The father never watches over her. The sister's always been this way with me. The mom got in a fight with me years ago. She tried to steal my daughter.
Hold on, let them.
All right, listen.
Drama
You're
follows
gonna
you,
get
girl.
to speak your entire piece, but before that, I have to read you something, okay? I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Understand? Can you tell me what happened?
I pull up, right? And literally the day that the mom begged me to come out here, she picked up the child. During the party, they all got drunk. Eventually, I told his mom I have to go. She begged me to stay. Of course, heard I was leaving. He lost his mind. He tried to put his hands on me.
She said what happened a whole other day.
Out on the street, the police came. I had to wait out here an hour to get my Uber
When was
home.
that? When was
2
that?
days ago.
Okay.
I had to wait an hour here to get Uber home.
God.
What happened?
Guess what? I swallowed that. Today, I have to come get my daughter, right? Of course. Not here. Who are they with? The sister and the sister's sister. So they're playing doll with her because I get here and the kids are outside by themselves. So I grabbed the child of the other lady, which must be her older sister, and I put her in the house. I hear somebody boom, 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 boom coming outside. No, you got me f***ed up. Boom, went to punch me in the face with my lasers in my hand. I don't know how the hell.
See, when she say boom, 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 you gotta be fucked up. That's how she interpret everything. How she interpret those knocks and whatever the hell it is. The way she describing it is how she interpreted.
I'm not hurt. But I've been this way my whole life. I've been defending myself and dealing with people like this my whole life. I know my demeanor might give off. Like, hey, I take this shit. I can handle it. But it's only so much. And then eventually my daughter comes out of my hand. She tries to reach for her. My mom comes out to help me. And the other chick is pulling my hair. While the other one's pulling my leg. They're pulling my arms. And in all of this, they're like squeezing my daughter's stomach to try to convince me that they're hurting her enough for me to let go. I said, no, you're not going to hurt her. I don't care what you think this is happening. Let go of her.
Girl, that sounds like a lie.
Never even been here.
So, is your ex
from like 4 years ago?
So the father of your child.
Yes.
All right. And you came here to get your daughter from technically, but he's not here. So his sister's here with the
She's
kid.
17.
Okay, sister's 17.
She smokes, drinks. She don't got nothing going on right now but school.
And
I never said
is
it was
there a
okay.
custody agreement?
Yes.
Okay. So this is valid? Okay. So you're...
But it says every other weekend on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I paid $5,000 for a lawyer. Doesn't even show up to the courthouse.
Okay, so that has nothing to do with what's going on. This is your custody agreement.
Yes.
Like he's trying to...
She made her own agreement up.
When is your custody agreement? Because obviously you both agree, and it's a court order.
Yes.
So when's your custody
knows
agreement?
I'm supposed to. I was supposed
No,
to.
not what Jerome knows.
Man, girl, pay attention.
It's right there.
What is it?
He
You should know
He
it.
only gets her Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, today is what?
Monday.
Okay.
Gotcha, bitch. Yo la tengo que I was supposed to pick her up. He
Supposed to pick her up Sunday, not
yes,
Monday.
I didn't come yesterday.
Okay, so this is what we're trying to get to. Your court order says you have to be on Sunday here to pick her up. So if you weren't here, the best thing you should have done, call the police. We come here, we grab the child. Well, we don't grab her.
I didn't know what.
I know, but
so she misses a day to come on her day, and so she think coming on a day that's not her day is gonna make up for it with no with not calling anyone on time, letting no one know it, not calling the sheriff or whoever. Come on, man.
You came in here and you started.
I didn't know that. I didn't start it, sir. I didn't know
you
that.
came in here knowing you weren't.
Yes, you did.
What?
You weren't supposed to be here today.
They
You're supposed to be here yesterday.
I don't have a car, sir. My mom couldn't bring me yesterday.
So that's why we're
That's the only reason. But I called you guys.
When?
And right before I got here, and the lady said y'all would get there. She never told me, hey, you know, maybe you.
Got the call.
Yes, I didn't call 911. I called the non-emergency.
You still didn't get the call.
Me, I should have just called y'all right away. I called the non-emergency because I was on the phone with domestics, right?
This entire
You still came here and had a fight.
exists, so this doesn't happen.
Correct.
That's the literal reason
For real.
for this. And now we're here because we let our emotions get the best of us.
This is my child.
No, that's completely understandable.
Oh my God, I raised her. I raised her. I've raised her since she came out of my womb. I raised her. I raised her. They don't raise her. They
And that's not good. That's not a good thing that you raising her.
They doll with her on the weekend.
Look who's raising her.
I had her in months. I just told them, fine, cool. And the weekend I came, there was a problem. Court wants more than just co-parenting. Of course. He said nothing.
He just explained to you what you need to do.
Yes,
You probably need to go to court. Whether you
I
want
can
to
see
take...
angustiada. I'm just overwhelmed. They've been dealing with these people for years.
And you keep coming back.
I don't.
And why is the child...
Mom took it to court, and the mom showed up, right? On her knees. I have a video of her quitting on her knees. I really believe this lady. I did. I want my daughter. I want my daughter.
And it's the same...
It's the
They always telling stories.
same.
Jesus Christ.
Sir, please.
I'll be right back.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
You got the child's 14?
I got the child's 14 and I got the grandma's 14 as well.
Okay. Because
You have to call DCF.
yeah.
And I got Dad's 14. I'm putting it.
Is he coming?
He said he's trying. He's trying to get relief right now at work.
Yeah.
You guys know who he is?
Nah.
And she came to take your
My niece.
niece from the residence.
On a day that's not her day.
Okay. And how can you describe on how you said you got socked in the face? Can you describe that?
I was quite literally talking, and she just punched me dead in my eye.
With a closed fist, open
With
hand?
a closed fist.
Closed fist, okay. Would you like to press charges?
Yes.
Okay.
She's not going home tonight.
Is there anything
Good.
that I failed to ask you that you'd like to add to the statement?
Nope.
Okay, the time now is 1300 hours. This concludes the interview.
Yo, man, listen. God need to seriously come back down here and repo all these chicks' uterus who be acting like a damn fool. Take away their uterus. Jesus Christ, y'all don't need to have these kids. Yo, subscribe to this channel right here. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to hear my commentary, you know what I'm saying? Support their channel. I'm sure they got 1,000 more videos y'all can check out. And subscribe to us, Logic on Steroids. Like the video, share. I got more videos coming to y'all. I'm out.